Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
The Pixel 6a does not offer a built-in system font switch in settings. Google restricts global font changes on standard Android builds for consistency. You cannot change the system UI font without elevated access or replacement software. Many users expect a simple toggle, but that option is absent on this device. The practical non-root approach targets home screen and app fonts using third-party launchers. For full system replacement, you must unlock the bootloader and use root or a custom ROM. Install a launcher like Launcher or Nova from Google Play Store first. Open the launcher settings and look for appearance, icon, and font options. Some launchers allow you to select a bundled font or add a TTF file. Add your chosen TTF by following the launcher import prompts when available. Apply the launcher as your default home app to make font changes persistent. This approach customizes the home screen and supported app text without rooting your Pixel 6a. To change system fonts, you must unlock the bootloader and obtain root access. Install Magisk to manage root and then flash a font package via a custom recovery. Alternatively, flash a trusted custom ROM that includes font customization options. Back up all data before unlocking because the process erases your device storage. Understand this voids warranty and increases the risk of bricking or security issues. Follow a Pixel 6a specific guide and ensure Android build compatibility before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.